Google Sheets now has a built-in AI function. Yep, you can literally type a prompt inside a cell. Here's how to use equals AI in under 2 minutes. First, quick heads up. This only works if you're on Google Workspace with Gemini enabled. If you don't see it, it might not be turned on for your account yet. Click on an empty cell. That's where your AI answer will show up. Now type an equal sign, then AI, open parenthesis. Inside the quotes, that's your prompt. Just tell it what you want in plain English. Then after a comma, reference the cell with your data so it knows what to work on. Hit enter and boom, Gemini reads your prompt and drops the answer right into the cell. Want it for every row? Just grab that little square at the bottom corner of the cell and drag it down. Each row runs the same prompt but on its own data. One thing to remember, the output is static. If your source data changes later, it won't auto-update. You'll need to click back into the cell and hit refresh and insert to get a new answer. And that's it. That's the equals. I open parenthesis, close parenthesis function in Google Sheets. Perfect for summarizing, categorizing, or pulling quick insights straight from your data. Give it a try on your own sheet.